Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Wix to make a blog. First, you will need to create a free Wix account or simply log in if you already have one. Next, select a website template that perfectly matches your blog's aesthetic and purpose. After choosing your template, head over to the Wix App Market and easily add the dedicated blog app to your site. This essential step lays the foundation for your new online presence, making it straightforward to begin your blogging journey with Wix. Now that your blog is set up, let's create your first post. From your Wix dashboard, simply navigate to the blog section and click to start a brand new entry. You will find a powerful, rich text editor where you can effortlessly add compelling text, engaging images, and even videos to enrich your content. Remember to organize your posts using relevant categories and tags. This helps your readers easily find what they are looking for and improves your blog's overall structure. A visually appealing blog keeps readers engaged, so let's customize its look. Wix offers extensive design options, allowing you to easily adjust your blog's layout, choose attractive fonts, and select a color scheme that reflects your brand. You can also fine-tune how individual post elements, such as the author's name and publication date, are displayed. Don't forget to integrate social sharing buttons. These are crucial for encouraging your readers to spread your content across various platforms. With your content created and design perfected, it is time to go live and reach your audience. Carefully review all your blog settings to ensure everything is just right. Then hit the Publish button to make your site accessible to the world. Actively share your new blog posts across all your social media platforms to drive initial traffic. Furthermore, leverage Wix's built-in SEO tools to optimize your content, helping your blog rank higher in search engine results and attract more readers over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.